Okay, these are elevators number 9 and 10 at the IKEA store in Conshohocken, Plymouth Township, Pennsylvania. They're on separate controllers, which is the weird thing. We'll attempt to get them both. Let's go up to 1. Ooh, door close button works. I like that. Indicator's dead. Still buzzes though. Back down to P. Ooh, don't cancel out the call. Get a cab. These things are huge. Capacity 12,000 pounds. Of all things, you would not expect to see center opening doors on a hospital-sized elevator. Now we'll try to get a ride on the other car. Ring the bell. Now we'll ride car number 10. You can see scars on the doors. They used to have silhouettes of passengers and welcome to IKEA signs. And it's here. This one only has a single lantern. Go up to 1. This one's in better shape because the indicator works. Now, of course, bell trick. And identical to the other one. Like I said, definitely the last thing you'd expect. A hospital-sized elevator with a center opening door. Now we're going to end the tour up at 1. Yeah, these are definitely dry-powered. These are definitely dry-powered. Elevator number 10. So, there must be at least 5 ratings. So, ring the bell. The lantern doesn't light up. There it goes, and that's it.